Hello friends, my name is Emma. Welcome back in our YouTube channel, Tell Me Data. Today in this video, we are going to tell you how you can cancel your USCCA membership. Only in some easy steps. All steps you can see on your screen. So let's get started. Method 1. Cancel your USCCA membership over the phone. Dial USCCA customer service phone number as shown on your screen and get connected with one of their team members over a phone call. And tell them about your service cancellation. Provide them with your membership account number and other necessary details along with a valid cancellation reason. They will then cancel the service for you and send you a confirmation message in your email about the cancellation. And you are done. Method 2. Cancel USCCA membership via email. You also got the option to cancel your membership by sending your cancellation request to their team via email. You just need to compose a well email in which your objective about membership cancellation is clear and all the necessary details are included in the body of the email. After that, you can send that composed email to the USCCA customer service email address, which is support@deltadefense.com, and all emails you can see on your screen. By using this method, you can easily cancel your USCCA membership. Hope you like this video. If yes, please hit a like button and don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel. Thanks for watching this video.